Welcome to your reading exercise video tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the reading exercise program interface. This assessment will help you test reading comprehension. Use the methods and ideas you learned from your previous lessons to finish all the exercises given. From your exercise page, you can see the reading exercise link. Click on that link to go to your exercise. On your interface you can see 3 tabs at the left part of the upper part. We'll know the functions and how to use each tab in a moment. At the right side of your interface is the timer. Once you understood the instructions, and how to use this program's functions, click the Start button to begin your reading exercise. Take note, you cannot start answering the exercise questions unless you click the Start button. Track how long you take this reading exercise through this timer. Going back to the tabs here, let's learn what each tab does for your exercise. The first tab, as you can see, is the Article tab. This contains the reading material that you will need to read and get the information to answer the questions. Read this instruction properly to remind you of what you need to do and more guides in taking your reading exercise. The second tab contains the questions you will need to answer. Questions are in different formats, either multiple choice, fill in the blanks or identification, so be careful to put only the needed format for each answer. The third tab is your answer sheet area. Type down your answers on the box provided corresponding to the number of the question you're answering. Above that is another instruction to further guide you in answering the questions. Do not forget to start the timer to activate the boxes here in your answer sheet. After you're done answering all the questions, stop the timer and then click the Submit button to check your answers. Take note, when you stop the timer, the answer boxes cannot be editable. To edit your answers, click on the Start button again. Upon submitting your answers, you will be directed to this page. This will show you the summary of your questions and answers. Below the questions are your answers and the points for each answer. Below that box shows you the total time you consumed for this exercise and the total points you got. This button allows you to view the correct answer for each question, so you can compare what went wrong with your answer. This part shows you your band score. This will tell you whether your band score passed or failed. Remember, band scores shown to you are based on a 9-band scale like on an actual IELTS exam. If you failed this exercise, click on the Try Again link to retake this exercise. If you passed on this exercise, click on the Go to Main menu link to go back to your course menu. Try this assessment now and have fun. To know how to use other games or exercises, please go to your tutorials menu and select the topic you want to know.